Salam Dr. Azu and team. Allow me to brief you on our project and prototype, which we hope to further develop for societal impact. It all started with a question: how might we address foodborne disease challenges in night markets while enhancing the social and economic well-being of food vendors? In Malaysia, we have more than 30,000 food vendors in night markets. However, foodborne diseases from food sale in night markets pose threats to both sellers and also the public. It happened due to long hours operation, where food are cooked from afternoon and being sold until night time. Some of the food is spoiled or cannot stand for long hours. Plus the serving condition, food is not warm enough, not hygienic. Those things can contribute to the problems of foodborne diseases. It reduced the trust among customers, thus it reduced the sales. So on top of that, the current practice of most food vendors did not align with Malaysia food hygiene regulations, where they need to ensure food warmer maintains a temperature of food above 60 Celsius, where food to serve hot. For us, we think that most of the food vendors in Malaysia still lack of awareness about this thing, and there's no practical product currently. So we see this issue as impacting the society, the economy, food safety, and whole ecosystem of business, community, and also food safety. So based on this, we have conducted a study, a research project, using design thinking approach. To come up with the innovative solutions, we follow all the steps in design thinking. We first started with empathy, whereby in empathy we have conducted our study in 3 locations of night markets in Kajang Municipal. And then from there, based from the data that we collected from the empathy stage, we then went to define ideate stage, where we did the empathy mapping, user persona, and also brainstorming, and also come up with the how might we questions before we finally finalize the ideas for the food warmer. And then for the prototype, we have come up with low fidelity and high fidelity prototype, and we also have tested the prototype in the real environment. So the whole design thinking process is iterative, and we have involved the target user for this process. So this is the low fidelity prototype, where we sketch it before we turn that low fidelity prototype into high fidelity prototype. And we have tested this prototype in the 3 night markets location, and we have selected the respondents that we have involved during the empathy stage. We asked them to test this prototype in their stalls. The project has produced 1 journal paper on empathy stage, and on top of that, I'm very happy to see that we are currently in our final stage of patent filing. We really wanted to see the prototype materialize to a refined product for commercialization. We need funding to improve the prototype. We need to make it more user-friendly, portable, and practical for diverse environment. And with the funding, we can source high-quality, cost-effective materials and develop an aesthetic appealing design that aligns with market specifications, making the product both functional and visually attractive. We wanted to do a pilot testing to a bigger audience to validate the performance and further refinement of the prototype, and we also need funding for marketing and branding. We wanted to do the pilot testing to a bigger audience during Ramadan, thus the call for this dana khas lah. Because I think during Ramadan, the food vendor in our research context are anticipating this product. And we also see Ramadan as the best time for us to create awareness of the product and attract market attention. This is our proposed timeline. I know it's a bit fast, but we really need to expedite the process. But the team is ready, basically. in January 2025, we are going to manufacture it and get all the materials. By February 2025. We're going to do the prototype refinement, and then we will do preparation for pilot testing. In March 2025, we hope to do the pilot testing. We want to take the opportunity of Ramadan to launch this prototype in the night market in Kajang area. And then in April 2025, we will do the feedback analysis from the user experience that we have gathered during the pilot testing, and perhaps we can improve further the prototype before we prepare for marketing and the launching preparation of the actual product. And then in July 2025, we plan to launch the first version of the foot warmer. The product has a huge potential of market. Just imagine, in Kuala Lumpur alone, we have about 12,000 food vendors at 99 night market sites in Kuala Lumpur. This number does not include Selangor, Perak or any other states in Malaysia, and that number also does not include food vendor or street food vendor, which I think the number will definitely increase. And on top of it can be applied in night market. We also, this product can also applicable in catering services as well as hotels in Malaysia. So there is a huge potential for usage, not only for food vendors in the night market, but other players in the hospitality industry. We really hope you and your team could consider offering us with grant assistance. I think we need to seize the opportunities, especially with the coming Ramadan, where we have lots of bazaars. We cannot wait until Prototype Development Fund to open next year. We need to make a move and take the opportunity to introduce it to the market and really see the impact that it can give to the food vendors, government and public as a whole.